Hi y'all, how are you? If you are looking to make 6 figures or 7 figures on YouTube, stay tuned. So I just wanted to make a video specifically about the first step to making 6 or even 7 figures on YouTube. Now, you all might feel like this is very simple. It is foolish to make a video on this, but trust me, it is needed because a lot of people rob themselves of a better life, of a better opportunity because they can't get to this first step. So, the first step to making 100,000, 6 figures, 7 figures, maybe even 8 or 9 figures like Mr. Beast is to start creating content. Now, hold on. Don't click off yet. Listen, hear me out. Hear me out. So, the reason why I'm making this video because so many people are discouraged to make videos and so many people are afraid to make videos, and I'm here with my bad speech, with my bad communication. Some people might say bad look, whatever. I'm here and I'm not letting anything stop me because I don't know if it's because I'm a believer, but at the end of the day, can't nobody judge me but I was about to say Allah, but God. God is the only one that could judge me. Now, you can judge in a way of, oh, she's ugly, she's fat, she's broke, she's this, she's that. But you can't put me in hell. And you don't have, not if I don't let you. And you don't have the key to let me into heaven. So you know what? I'm not going to care what you think. Now, I'm here to encourage those who are afraid that people are going to judge them and all of that. Let me tell you this. Those same people are getting to the bag and they're not letting a soul stop them. So why should you let anybody stop you? Don't let nobody stop you, period. I'll be your motivational speaker for the day. I'm here to tell you to do what it is you want to do. Not even YouTube. Maybe it's TikTok. Maybe it's Instagram. Maybe it's neither. Maybe it's selling real estate. Maybe whatever it is. Get to the bag. Maybe you want to be a doctor and everybody telling you you can't. I wish I would. The old me would, but I wish I would let a hater stop. What? I wish I would let a hater stop me. Y'all don't know what these thumbs up is. I hope people not seeing me laugh. I did all that talk. But anyway, y'all, I wish a hater would. I have a question. Why would you allow a haters, or people that's not doing stuff themselves, put you in a small box, tell you can't do it? Why? Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm cut different, but I'm not letting nobody stop me but me. I've been standing in my way, or like having a lot of kids have slowed me down. But other than that, like I never been discouraged about what somebody might think. I don't know. Y'all, I've been on YouTube for about 14 years and I've grown a lot. So maybe back in the past I would let that discourage me a little bit, but never did it stop me. It never stopped me from hitting that red button because y'all not gonna pay my bills. Y'all not gonna make sure I'm straight, my kids straight. So why would I let y'all stop me? So I hear people springing it on softly, but I'm here to spring it on like ghetto, whatever you want to call it, aggressively. I'm here to aggressively to tell you to do what it is you want to do, and don't let a soul stop you. Cause baby, Martin Luther King had haters, Trump got haters, Justin Bieber got haters, everybody who's ever been great, Jay-Z, Beyonce got haters. Why would I rob myself of being on the moon, shoot for the moon, you might land on the stars, whatever, because a haters gonna hate. They gonna hate if you broke, poor. They're gonna talk about you like a dog. So you're gonna get talked about regardless. It don't matter what status you're at, people are gonna find a way to talk about you. They're gonna talk about how you dress, how you look, how you talk. They're gonna find something to talk about. Oh, look at her. Her nail is chipping just a little bit. Look at her. Her face is fat. Look at her. Her face too skinny. Look at her. She's too fat. She's too skinny. So, baby, beat them keys. I want y'all to hate. Actually, beat them keys. I want you to beat them keys, because when you get through, drag me, honey. Drag me straight to the bank when you through, though. That's it. Period, point blank. So, yeah, I'm just here to say, do that. I ain't got a lot to say. My baby waking up. So, do that. Go ahead. Don't let nobody stop you. Do it. Make this a meme. Send it to your mama. Send it to your friend. Send it to anybody that you know is feeling discouraged to do anything. Not just YouTube. Get to that bag. In 2025. Don't wait till 2025. Don't say 2025 almost. No. Today. Do it. Period. If not today, because I know life be lifing. Tomorrow. The end of this week. No later than the end of next week. I don't care if you're just looking up a video on how to get into the niche that you're in. Start today or tomorrow. Look, I ain't even letting the whole baby stop me. Come on. Come on, honey. And we're back on. No later. She look like my mommy. Y'all, my mommy passed away a year ago. And yeah, so I'll be in my fees. Anyway, so no later than the beginning of next week, get on it. Do the dang thing. And don't let a soul stop you. Yeah, so if you like videos like this, press subscribe. You see I'm doing it. No daycare. I had an issue with daycare, so my kids ain't in daycare. Got my kids full-time. Baby study hollering. If you like these type of videos, I'm going to make sure it's less crying in the next video. But videos, hit subscribe. Do it now. See you. Be great.